Ayo. Got it.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Hello guys, my name is Fahrul Alam. I'm live in Bandung and I'm from Sociology Department. Now we will have a sharing session. We will ask each other about our future letter. First, my question for you: will you continue education? What if given the opportunity about? Okay, Fadil.
Ya, gimana, Fahrul?
My question: will you continue your education? What if given the opportunity about?
It look like yes, but if given the opportunity to abroad, I will choose the Netherlands. Thank you, Fahrul.
Okay, thank you, Fadil. How are you, Neng Endri Herliani?
I maybe yes, maybe now, because I also have to look at the economic situation of the family, and especially given the opportunity to continue my education abroad. Maybe this time I'm not interested because maybe I am the last doctor, so it is difficult to be away from my. Thank you.
Wow, good. How are you, Dwi Vanagara?
Okay, thank you. For me, of course, if given the opportunity to study abroad, I will take opportunity because for me, this opportunity is big choice that can be made to study or even work abroad so that can I improve my standard of living. That was I think. Thank you.
Okay. Next question. What will you do in the next 5 years? Fadil Ibnu Kaujan.
Okay. In 5 years, in the next 5 years, I will open a business and build a house.
Neng. Neng.
I will get married. Just kidding.
Wow.
Be busy working to make myself happy. But it can happen.
Oh, in 5 years ago, Neng Indri get married, ya guys.
Just
Dwi Vanagara.
Okay. Me in the next 5 years, I think I have mastered 3 language, Mandarin, Japanese, and also Arabic. It's even a dream for me if I can pass the Japanese in one test. Beside that, also think I may be abroad among these 3 language. Thank you.
Wow.
Wow.
Amazing. Dwi Vanagara. Next question. What dream do you most want to come true? Fadil, how about you?
I have a dream to be able to surround Indonesia to see its beautiful Indonesia.
How about Neng?
If I the dream that I really want to realize is to become someone who is independent and makes my parents happy.
Last, how about Dwi Vanagara?
One of the dreams that I want to make the most, of course, is to make my parents happy, or also that my mother would like vacation to various places, because for me that is the main thing I can do to make them happy. Thank you.
Last question. Try to describe the future. What do you want to achieve? How about Fadil?
I having a simple house, 2 children, beautiful wife, and advance effort.
Wow, very simple answer. How about Neng?
I want to have a very happy future, like having a husband who cares, love me for who I am. Then we have our own home. If we don't have children yet, we have a steady job and save for the future our children so that they have a decent life.
Okay, last, Dwi Panegara.
Okay, for me, the description that I want to achieve and even ideal is get a job, a good job, a pious wife, and also be safe in this world and hereafter. Thank you.
Okay, thank you guys. Next question from Fadil Ibnu Faujan.
Okay, guys, I have a question for you all. Number one, how big is your motivation to maximize the potential we have? Okay. Fahrul, how?
Okay, my motivation to maximize the potential I have is my continue to explore my what is actually the potential within me and the maximizing the opportunity that have been given to do it as much it possible.
Three. Nice answer, Fahrul. How about Enric? Enric?
If I am 95% because 5% of is my lazy feeling.
Nice. How about the Panegara?
For now, I can dare to say that I'm able to maximize my potential because my motivation is still relative small and not burning with the situation I have. Okay.
Okay, nice answer for you all. And number two, are we afraid of change? If yes, why? If not, why? How, Fahrul?
Okay. In my opinion, change is nothing to be afraid because basically change will help us in the better direction and change will also make us much more mature than before.
How, Enric? Neng.
Yes, I'm very especially thanks in the people closest to make like my best friend. Because if you change, friends change.
How about the Panegara?
In Cheng, there are two sides where, of course, I'm afraid of change when it leads to bad and will also accept change if it's good for me. Thank you.
Okay, good answer, the Panegara. And the next question, when we help others, what impact we want? Oh, about Fahrul?
Okay, when we help others, I think God will give us much better things in the future. Helping others will have a positive impact on us and will make our life much more useful for others.
Okay. Oh, Neng.
Maybe most people also want to get the same impact, which is to be helped too, but they will try to be sincere.
Oh, nice answer for Neng. And one, Dwi Panegara. Oh.
Okay. When I can help other people, I only expect that we can basically be friends, which is because that is also what I need as social being. Thank you.
And the last one, answer for you are how future.
Okay, for me, responding to a failure is a commonplace because a failure occurs when we have tired. I think to respond to a failure by surrendering to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala and correcting the mistake we have made at the time and not repeating the mistake so we can produce maximum result.
How about Neng?
If I try again and again until it works.
Oh, Pane.
In dealing with the existing failures, I just hope to be able to try again and not let it make me stop for the last time. And of course, I will try my best. Thank you.
Thank you for all for answer my question. I giving back to Pahrul.
Okay, thank you very much, Fadil Ibnu Fauzan. And next question from Dwifa Negara.
Okay. The question for me is number one is, have you ever been confused about what your life goals is like? The first one is Fahrul Alam.
Okay, I'm never been confused about what my life will be like in the future because right now I'm already thinking about my goals for the next 5 years. That's why from now on, I'm started to prepare things that will support and simplify my goals in 5 years, which will come.
Okay, that's great. And the next is Neng Indri.
If yes, always, but again, I remind myself that the purpose of my life is to be the best in the eyes of Allah.
Okay, thank you. And the next one is Fadil.
Ever when I just graduate from high school and didn't to do anything at the time. Okay.
Okay, thank you. And the next question, number two, is how do you choose when faced with prioritizing your partner or the future? The first one is Fahrul Alam.
Okay, I think the choice between the future with my partner becomes a little difficult because I think the partner will be my future. In the future and with my partner, I will also think more about the future because my partner must be able to make me in the better direction.
Okay, great. And the next answer for Indri.
If now, maybe I'm more concerned with the future because I don't have a partner now, so I prefer the future.
Okay, nice. Ada orang. And the next is Fadil.
Maybe the future is very important, but the where is also equally important. But it is very concerned with a better future.
Okay, that's great. The next question number 3 is, what are your career goals? The first one is Fahrul Alam.
Okay, my career goals for now, after I'm finished my undergraduate program, I will continue my master program abroad and finish my doctoral program. Yes, also abroad. Behind this, I will also make a business that is useful for many people and can help the economy of the middle class down in Indonesia.
Okay, wow, that's great. And the next answer for Indri.
My career goals is success. That's it.
Okay, that's very simple. Okay, but that's good. And the next one is Fadil Ibnu.
Yes, as I had a simple house, 2 children, beautiful wife, advanced business.
Okay, that's great. And the last question is about, what is the goal when you are married in the future? The first one is Fahrul Alam.
Okay, goal when I married in the future with is to have 2 children and one wife, to have a house that is quite spacious and can provide the best education for my children. And I really want to provide the best religion education to my children in the future and make them memorize Al-Quran.
Okay, that's very good. And the next one is Nang Indri.
If I worship ibadah.
Okay. And the last one is Fadil Ibnu Fauzan.
Maybe I want to have a developer company and have several branch in Indonesia.
Okay. Thanks for everyone for us answer my question. And the next is giving back to Fahrul Alam.
Okay, thank you very much, Divanegara. And last question from Aneng Indri Herliani.
Yes, thank you, Fahrul Alam. I wanted to ask all of you the first question. Have you set a target that you want to achieve in the future? Can you name your closest target? Maybe the first Fadil Ibnu Fauzan.
Okay, Henry, thank you. Maybe I being architect is job that is make purpose continue according to.
Okay, next Fahrul Alam.
Okay, I have set the target that I will achieve in the future from now on for the next 5 years. And the closest target for me is to make a business and continue my master degree abroad.
Next, Divanegara.
Okay, thank you. I have prepared a target that I want to achieve. As for the closest target that I want to achieve is to graduate from this course well, and also hopefully the road ahead will be launched whatever I want to do it. Thank you.
Next question. What job do you want? Maybe the first Fahrul Alam.
Um, uh, Maybe for the job that I aspire to, which basically I want to have a business, but for a specific job, I don't want to do work that is repeated every day, such as going in the morning and coming home late in the afternoon, and almost 4 years. Maybe it will be more boring.
Next, Fadil Ibnu Faujan.
Okay, maybe being an architect is a job that may purpose continue according to.
Next, Viva Negara.
Okay. The job that I want to aspire to from what I think is human resource development and also civil servants, both of which are jobs that I want, even though they are still blurred. Thank you.
Okay, and the last question. If you got it and it doesn't match what you expect, what do you do? Maybe Viva Negara.
Okay. If it's true that the job does not match with what I hope for, then of course I will think about how I will take action in the future, such as whatever there are other jobs that I can get and how the comparison between now and in the future will be. Thank you.
Next, Ibu Faujan.
Or I will continue to live it and live it every day.
Okay, Farul Alam.
Okay. It doesn't match the expectation that I expect, maybe I will continue to try to be as possible and surrender to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala, so that the best thing to be given in the future and my family in the future. Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay. Thank you to all of you. Thank you for attention. That's all for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.
Waalaikumsalam.
Waalaikumsalam warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you all.